Vision is twofold here. I think, first of all, that we can really disseminate the innovations occurring on the West Coast in Alaska and beyond to enhance those economic and biological outcomes, really spread those through. One of the challenges we saw was that there was a lot of exciting innovation occurring, but sometimes it was a little bit siloed. It wasn't necessarily reaching beyond ports or beyond states, and so I think that's certainly one of the things we hope to achieve here today. I think the second thing is maybe a little bit more amorphous. I think we're hoping to create networks and connections of folks, of researchers, of managers, of fishermen that can exist and continue well beyond this workshop.
And this is that one till where we estimated we had probably a little over 40 tons going through the net in about an hour and a half. So, there's a fair amount of volume here. And when we hauled back and then we had delivered 4,700 something pounds. So the net sorted all these fish that quickly in an hour and a half. It sorted 40 tons plus. And the sand dabs that were retained were all over 11 inches. I mean, for the most part, they were all just really nice fish.
No, this is a very fisherman-oriented conference, which is a nice difference. A lot of fishermen, when you talk to them, they really have to be conservative and not change things too fast. But a lot of the guys we're talking to here are really making a lot of effort and taking some risks, trying something different, and it seems to be paying off. I'm hoping it gets spread out to the fleet a little further in terms of that kind of effort, but I'm impressed.
I was totally impressed with this conference for all the same reasons: networking, getting people together, seeing new innovations, and sharing it across.
I thought it'd be great if we could get together, and here we are all together. And everybody in the workshop is like, wow, it's so cool that we're all together. And I mean, the ideas bouncing around in all of our heads right now are just wow.
So you guys haven't really even begun to touch on what's available today, let alone what's the future. So having another one of these soon, where you have a broad range of people with a broad range of experiences and young people in different gear types is very good. And that's how you educate them.